So with the new updates in Power BI, we can now put all these visuals in this ribbon area. So let's quickly look at how to do that. We go to File, go to Options and Settings, and click on Options. Okay, and go to Preview Features here. And now let's click on Object Interaction and press OK. Then we need to restart our Power BI for this to take effect. So let's quickly do that. I will save. So I'll open Power BI again. Alright, so now let's click on New Reports, and we can see that we have our visuals in this ribbon area. But at the same time, we can also have it here. We have it when you click on Build Visuals, when you click on Build a Visual, we can still pick it from here. But then over here, it allows you to have a lot of space to work with. So that is it.